partnership with the University of Newcastle, ARTC Inland Rail is really pleased to support initiatives like the Engineering and Science Challenge, and we're here in Narrabri today, which is heartland of the Inland Rail project. What I think is really exciting is that students get to participate in a range of activities to go out and educate themselves and take up a subject at school that they might not have been looking at before to pursue a career later on in life, and I think that's a really exciting time to be involved.
The challenge was to build a bridge that can carry gold ingots across in our scenario, and it was challenging, but we got through at the end.
It's really cool that when you're working as a group, when you find a problem, and then the relief when you find a way to fix it, it's really cool to realise that you actually can fix that.
We've got to learn to work together and have a balance, and remember to include everyone's ideas and listen to everyone as well and follow our captain. Yeah.
The challenge was really fun.
My favourite challenge today was probably the hand one. We created a moving hand, like a machine, where we had to pull strings and pick up objects. It was actually so much fun.
ARTC Inland Rail really finds these types of activities really crucial to be involved in, because we are going to be in these communities for a significant amount of time. Not only do we want to be able to provide jobs and opportunities for locals, but we also want to make sure that we're taking care of the youth in those communities so they have an opportunity in the future.